This video will guide you how to replace oil separator in Mercedes E63 and this model year 2017 model E213, and in this car the engine is M177 V8 engine, 8-cylinder engine, and the transmission is coming 9 speed 725. So while replacing the oil separator, just we have to disconnect this radiator fan, and just make we have to make a space between charge air cooler and engine. Then we can get the space to remove the oil separator. Please do not remove front bumper, and you don't have need also to remove complete charge air cooler. If you're going through like removing the charge air cooler complete, it will waste your time, and also it's a very difficult in this E63. G63 is easy, but E63 is more difficult. Now I will guide you, and I will suggest you how you can disconnect this hose which one connected to the oil separator to turbocharger. So I am using two screwdriver. One is big, one is small. So big one, just push this hose pipe outside, and a small screwdriver just unlock the lock which one holding to the oil separator. This oil separator, they have this hose pipe small lock, so a small screwdriver can help you to unlock the lock, and big screwdriver push this hose pipe outside, then you can remove this hose pipe. It's a little bit difficult when you are doing first time because the lock is broken. It's very difficult to fix the next one, fix it back. Otherwise, you have to replace complete hose pipe. So before using the screwdriver, just use some lubricant and wait some time so it will go get lubricate and stop, and you can remove very easy. Otherwise, it's a chance to break the lock, and it's will damage the hose pipe. So it's increase the cost of repair and waste of time. So please, I would like to advise you, whenever you are disconnecting this hose pipe, just before 10 minutes or 20 minutes use some lubricant, and then you can try to move this hose pipe. It's easy for you. So after removing this separator, they have 3 screw E10, and then you have to clean this area properly, otherwise sand and lot of dust it will go inside the engine. And while fixing also, it's a chance to damage the seal which one connected to the separator, is a red color one. So it's a good advice you, before fixing the new one, just clean